Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav. Welcome to my core Java playlist. Today's interview question: what is this keyword? What is super keyword? And what is difference between this and super? So yes, last lecture we have seen what is difference between method and constructor, as well as we have seen how practically it's work. So this today's question is first question is what is this keyword. So what is this is a keyword which represent current class object. We have already seen in last example how this keyword it's represent the current class object. Okay, and second question is how to call a current class constructor. Okay, using by using a this keyword means if I create a one class and I need to call this constructor, means I create a one class, inside that I have created one constructor and I need to call that constructor. Then with the help of this keyword I will call that constructor. Okay, and how to call a super class constructor. With the help of super keyword we will call the class constructor. What is the meaning of super class? In next video we will see how we create a super class, how we create a subclass, and what is the meaning, how to call the super class constructor and how to call the current class constructor. Okay, so next question is what is difference between this keyword and super keyword. This is used to, so first of all we will see this keyword. This is used to access current class inheritance instance variable. This is used to access current class instance variable instance method, and super is used to access the super class instance variable and methods. Means suppose I have a class suppose I have a one class 1, and inside that I just create a constructor. How, what's a constructor? Okay, and I need to call this constructor in different class. Okay, means my class 2. Okay, this is my class 2, this is my class 2, sorry, this is my class 1, this is my class 2, and inside that I just want to call this class of constructor. Okay, so what I do, sir, just I write here super and bracket. If it is default constructor, then we will call like this. If it is parameterized constructor, then we pass here values, sir. What's the values? Okay, which values? Suppose inside this constructor I just create int x. Okay, so I need to pass here integer value, suppose like this 10. Okay, means with the help of this we will call to the super class constructor. Here I just extends class 1, sir. What's the class 1, and we will call automatically this. Okay, thank you guys. In next video we will see how it's work practically. Okay, thank you guys.